The new RCP regulator is a CAV-type device with a perovskite-powered actuator. Perovskite panels are characterized by their lightness and flexibility, and their unique design features high efficiency in both natural and artificial light. The angle of light incidence on the panel's surface does not play a significant role in their case, allowing a flexible panel placement even when access to light is limited. The generated energy is used to power the electronic board and the electric actuator. The executive module is optimized to save stored energy in the battery by using a microcontroller that activates the rest of the electronic system only when receiving an external signal, as well as consuming minimal electric energy in standby mode while waiting for a signal. Upon receiving a radio signal, the electronic board provides the appropriate signal to the actuator, which changes the set flow value. The new RCP-R-PV brings many benefits, one of the most important being that the module does not require external wiring for power supply or providing an external control signal. The offered system facilitates adjusting the setting of the electric actuator in ventilation devices by using wireless control signals. The device controller is responsible for communicating with the executive model. Using radio waves, it transmits data to the microcontroller. Importantly, it can communicate with one or multiple executive modules. Moreover, it has a channel selection function that allows controlling the chosen module. Control using a CO2 or a presence sensor helps ensure automatic regulation of the appropriate air quality. SMI, sustainable ventilation of the future today.